Right. So my little girl, Isabella, she's 5 year old. She's been always shown an interest in vintage electronics and stuff, and these radios, and she watched videos with me on YouTube and stuff. And she said, "Why can't we do together a little project?" She's seen Buzz 1151 bringing things back, and she's seen me doing it in the past. But she wanted to have a go at body work, cabinet work and things like that. Anyway, this is what she picked. A Pilot Little Maestro T105 from 1956. Only trouble is, sorry about sniffles. Only trouble is, I said pick something from my junk pile. And she picked this. Back panel, she used to keep aerial mountings on and everything, and all the wiring's been pulled out. Split down a bit. No valves. I got this for nothing. I know a speaker works, but look at the state of this. Oh, electrolytic. It's just spewed its guts. I don't know what that powder is there. Got no idea. But we're going to take it to pieces. And she wants to do a cabinet. I'll turn it right round. And up to now we've got no glass. I thought I had glass. We've got two knobs. Honestly, it's a magic. I should pick something better than this. Oh well. So this is just an intro. If we get it started, I'll use this video. I'm sure I had some glass for it, a diode glass, but now I've got to find 4 valves as well, because it never come with any valves or like that. Anyway, thanks for watching.